Hello everybody, I'm Luc Olivier, I'm VMM Manufacturing's General Manager. Today I'm going to show you around and to explain you how we work at the factory. Let's go! Everything starts on the first floor where suppliers unload their raw materials and then they bring it to the third floor through the elevator, which is here. They finally store raw materials in the reception area, then we inspect raw materials in the QC area. How you go?
Hello.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
How long have you been working in VMM?
I've been working here for almost 5 years now.
Oh, 5 years, nice. What have you been doing all these years in VMM?
At first, I started in quality, and then I took in charge the development of products and the industrialization.
Okay, so here we are in IQC. So what do we do in IQC?
IQC means Input Quality Control. So the quality controller are responsible to check that the parts and products we receive from our supplier meets our requirements in terms of quality, design and safety.
Okay, thank you, Hugo.
Welcome.
After IQC, raw materials are stored in the warehouse, on this side of the warehouse. On the other side of the warehouse, we store our finished products. Then when raw materials are needed for production, we take it from the warehouse to the elevator to go to the second floor to production. Hi Yingbing!
Hi Victoria,
How are you today?
I'm fine.
So how long have you been working in VMM?
Around 10 years.
10 years! So you are our champion, I guess, here. The longest employee. So what have you been doing all these years in VMM?
Starting from beginning the product development, then till production management, until now, always production management.
Okay, so can you make us a factory tour?
Sure, this starting from the machine room.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's go.
So you can see here, with the 3 6 pairs in green machine, 2 polish machine, and 1 cutting machine. Okay?
Okay.
Actually fit into the main structure of our LED display, so the backlight. You can see. So now let's go to the magnet tool. So here we put the magnet into the hole which we have engraved. So here is our screw painting room. So we print the backlight which has been pasted. We put the dot on the backlight. So like the LED frame, the light of the LED frame can be transmitted even on the whole surface of the backlight. In this print shop, we also produce the frame of the front and back panel. And also the logos here. Yeah. So now let's go to the laser cutting room. So the front and back panel which has been segmented will be laser cutting here. So we have 4 laser cutting machines. Cut the panel which has been segmented into the good shape. Now let's go to the assembly line. So this is our assembly line. So here we paste the metal plate and the 3M on the front and back corner, which has been laser cutting like this. So then the front and back panels, which has been assembled, plus the backlight which has been dried after screw painting will be assembled here and will be final checked here and then will be packed here as our finished product. So then we finish the whole production.
Okay, thank you very much, Yingbing.
Thank you.
And we come back with Hugo. So Hugo, what do we do in aging test room?
So here right after assembly, we test the product. 24 hours for lightbox and 72 hours for LCD display. We measure the brightness, we measure the power consumption, and we control that we don't have performance drops during the first hour of product life.
Okay, thank you, Hugo. Once aging tests are finished, we take finished products in the elevator to the third floor in the warehouse. Then, when we need to ship it, we take it to the first floor to the shipment dock. So now I'm going to the shipment area where we are loading the container. Hi Ivy! How are you on your second day of work in VMM?
I'm great today.
So what were you doing before coming to work in VMM?
I was working at the factory as a sales assistant, and we guarantee our customer on-time delivery and production capacity.
Okay, clear. And what are you going to do in VMM?
I'm here. My job is managing customers' forecasts and orders, and provide our customers satisfied products and service.
Okay, a key person then, important for customers. So can you explain us what we do on the shipment dock?
Yeah, sure. After we prepare our order on the third floor, then we put the pallet here and then load into the container.
Okay,
Yeah, and then the truck it to the port.
okay, very clear. Thank you, Ivy.
Thank you.
This is the end of the factory tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you.